Baking soda can be an effective low-toxicity option for controlling several common household pests beyond ants. Baking soda works by disrupting the digestive systems of soft-bodied insects and by creating abrasive barriers on entry paths. So for cockroaches and silverfish, apply a thin dusting where they travel in behind appliances using a piece of paper or a small brush to avoid clumping. For beetles and other pantry invaders, combine baking soda with diatomaceous earth in a 1-to-1 ratio applied lightly under shelves and along baseboards. Diatomaceous earth provides physical desiccation while baking soda adds a pH shock that some species find harmful. Use powder barriers rather than piles because insects will avoid large clumps and you want a fine, even coating that stays dry. Replace after cleaning or wet weather and reapply after 2 to 3 weeks in high humidity. For bait strategies, mix baking soda with an attractant like powdered sugar, peanut butter, or flour at a 10-to-1 attractant to baking soda ratio and place small amounts in shallow lids away from children and pets. The combination lures insects and then induces distress after ingestion. Combine these powders with physical traps, such as glue boards, in corners and beneath cabinets to catch survivors and monitor population trends so you can adjust placements and frequency. If infestations are heavy or persistent, prioritize sanitation and exclusion first by sealing cracks, storing food in airtight containers, and reducing moisture, because powders are most effective as part of an integrated approach rather than a sole remedy. Common mistakes include using large piles that insects bypass, which you avoid by applying a fine, even dusting with a brush and reapplying after any cleaning event. Another issue is placing powders where humidity will clump them and render them useless, so keep applications in dry locations and near vents that stay dry, or use powders with desiccant action like diatomaceous earth mixed in. People also rely on powders alone without addressing food and water sources, which means you must combine baited powders with thorough cleaning, sealed storage for dry goods, and fixing leaks or drainage that attracts pests. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners and contractors with local work opportunities and project leads related to pest prevention and remediation. We host a discussion community where we and our members share practical tips, product experiences, and local contractor recommendations to help homeowners find options and help contractors find customers.